Frustrated by the MaxxAudioCapture64 DLL error causing Realtek to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To kick off the MaxxAudioCapture64 walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This is the MaxxAudioCapture64, the Waves Audio MaxxVoice APO module. It manages unmanaged real-time audio signal processing for voice capture. It facilitates the orchestration of noise reduction and echo cancellation manifests for Realtek hardware. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. MaxxAudioCapture64 is part of a game or graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is hardware accelerated. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the MaxxAudioCapture64 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in Step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A vital technical reminder: modifying MaxxAudioCapture64 DLL manually is a high-risk procedure that can overwrite essential library files your hardware depends on for basic functionality and secure processing. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If you're addressing MaxxAudioCapture64 inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for MaxxAudioCapture64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.